Morning, students. Next, we can see that change of different types of sentences from direct to indirect speech. So, we are going to see today what change of different types of sentences, okay, from direct to indirect speech. Now, let's see. Number 8, declarative or assertive sentence. So, what happens in case of an assertive or declarative sentence? See, number 1, the accused said, comma, I am guilty. Now, indirect one, the accused stated that he was guilty. Full stop. So, in place of said, here stated has been placed. Now, students, you had seen earlier that in case of said to, told used to be there, or said remains generally said, but in case of different types of sentences, this said can be altered, okay, into stated, complained, assured, as the direct speech or according to the direct speech as such. Understood? So here stated. The accused stated that he was guilty. Next one, number 2. He said to me, I shall help you at any cost. Full stop. Double quotation closed. He assured. Okay. So over here, students, said to me is turning to assured me. Okay. Basically, said to, the reporting verb, said, then to, okay, is turning to the word assured. Assured me that he would. Now, shall is turning to would over here. Then, would help me at any cost. Since he said to me, okay, he assured me that he would help me. You is turning to me over here. Since I am telling about myself, so me at any cost. Next, number 3. The culprit said, I am innocent. The culprit pleaded that he was innocent. So, the reporting verb is getting changed over here, okay, and here basically the culprit, what he did, he pleaded, okay, he pleaded that what, that he was innocent. So as this is in past tense, students, that's why am is also turning to was, okay, and definitely, as I have told you, that said is turning to the word pleaded, okay, and according to the need of various types of sentences, you can put many types of words over here, okay. Number B, interrogative sentences. Number 1, D means direct speech. Geeta said to me, comma, double quotation starts, are you planning to go to Delhi shortly? Question mark. Double quotation closed. Next, indirect speech. Geeta asked me. Said to basically is turning to asked over here. Okay. Then, if I was planning to go to Delhi shortly, full stop. Now, here students, if or whether, according to this sentence, it will be decided whether you are going to put if or whether. Then, are you planning means Geeta basically said to me, okay, whether I was planning or not. So, definitely I was planning will be over here if I was planning according to the need of the sentence. Then to go to Delhi shortly will be same. Full stop. One. Number 2. She said to me, have you finished your homework? Question mark. Within quotation, you have to keep this. Now, indirect speech. She asked me. So, when it is getting changed, when the direct speech is getting changed into indirect one, then say to is turning to asked again. Okay, then me is remaining same. Now, here whether. Okay, whether I had finished my homework. So, she asked me whether I had finished my homework. Full stop. Students, unlike this one, okay, which is ending with question mark, definitely when you are telling in your own words, that question mark would be or will be removed. Okay, and full stop will be placed and the sentence will be changed a little bit, like have you finished over in this sentence or over here. Okay, in the direct speech it is given have you finished is turning to what, whether I had finished, as she said to me. Okay, she asked me. Okay, so definitely when I'm going to tell again my own words, so definitely you, okay, or your is going to be changed then in the quoted, whatever is given in the quoted speech. Okay, so it is turning to I and your is turning to my. Okay, my homework. In place of your homework, my homework. Understood? And since this question is in the present perfect tense or whatever is given in the quotation is in the present perfect tense, so according to the rule, already you know that we have to do it into the past perfect tense. Okay, with the help of the reporting verb or according to the demand of the reporting verb. Next, number 3, direct speech. She said to me, comma, double quotation starts, why did you insult my sister? Question mark, double quotation closed. She demanded. Now, said to me is getting turned into demanded of me. Okay, means she wanted to know. She demanded of me why I had, okay, insulted her sister. Now, students, simple past or this quoted speech is in the simple past tense. And you know, according to the rule, when you are turning a sentence from direct to indirect, then in the indirect speech, it will be in the past perfect tense. So, here it is so. Number C, imperative sentences in which you have command, request, advise, etc. Now, number 1, the teacher said, boys, work hard and steadily. Okay, this is included in the direct speech. Now, when this sentence is getting changed into indirect one, the teacher advised the boys. Okay, so over here it is getting changed into the word advised. Okay, then the boys to work hard and steadily. Understood? Next, number 2, I said to him, comma, double quotation starts, give me your book, double quotation closed, full stop. Now, say to him is getting turned or changed into I, then said to him, requested him. Okay, basically said to is getting changed into the word requested. Okay, requested him to give me his book. So, students, according to the sentence you have to decide. Here you can see in both the sentences we have not put the word that, rather here to is there and over here advise the voice. So advise the boys according to the need of the sentence. So you have to decide over here according to the requirement of the sentence what you have to put in between. and then change the rest of the sentence according to the reporting verb. Number 3. The master said to the servant, comma, double quotation starts, leave my house at once. Double quotation closed, full stop. Now, answer. The master ordered the servant. Okay? Ordered. Basically, over here, said to is turning to ordered. To leave his house at once. So, as per the requirement of the sentence, you have to decide this portion. Already I have told you. To leave his house. My is turning to his over here. Okay? Definitely the master. Okay? It is not me. Rather, it's the master telling or what he had told to his servant. What he had ordered. Okay? So, his house. My will turn to master said mine. Okay? His house will be same then at once. So, basically here we are getting this very word ordered in place of said to. Okay? Next, number 4. The mother said to him, comma, double quotation starts, do not do it again. Double quotation closed, full stop. Answer 4. The mother in place of said to, told is there over here. Next, him will remain same. Okay, said to is basically getting changed into the word told. Okay, him not to do it again. So, do not do it again is getting changed into not to do it again. Next, students, number D. Exclamatory sentences. To express delight, sorrow, contempt, joy, etc. Now, number 1. Direct speech. Within double quotation, what a terrible storm it is. Exclamation, then double quotation closed. He said, full stop. He exclaimed that. So, here he said, which is at last, is coming at first and turning to he exclaimed. Okay? He exclaimed that. Okay? It was a terrible storm. Students, definitely when he said that in the past time, okay, at that time, that terrible storm was occurring. Okay, so definitely the whole sentence would be turned to the past tense only. So here, in order to work according to the reporting verb, okay, as it is in past tense, the whole sentence is getting changed into the past tense only. Okay. Next, number 2, direct speech. She said, comma, double quotation starts, hooray, then exclamation mark, I have won the medal. Full stop, double quotation closed. In direct speech, she exclaimed. Now, said is turning to the word exclaimed. Now, with joy. As over here, you can see this very word. Okay, hooray is given. Okay, so definitely if someone is very happy, so for expressing his or her happiness, this very word is said. So with joy, she exclaimed, said is turning to exclaim, then with joy that she had won the medal. Now students, you already know I have won the medal. This is in present perfect tense. Basically within this quoted speech, this is in present perfect tense. Now when the whole sentence is getting changed into indirect speech, definitely this will be turned into the past perfect tense. Okay, so here it is so. Thank you. Number 3, Direct speech. He said, comma, double quotation starts, alas, I am ruined. So, full stop, then double quotation closed. Indirect speech. He exclaimed with sorrow. So, said is getting turned to exclaim with sorrow as alas is there. Okay. So, definitely when a person is very sorrowful or is regretting about something, he will express this word, this very word. So, here with sorrow. Okay, exclaimed with sorrow that he was ruined. I am ruined. Ruined is getting turned to he was ruined. Okay, he exclaimed with sorrow that he was ruined. Full stop. Next, number 4, direct speech. She said, comma, then double quotation starts, goodbye, comma, my dear friend. Double quotation closed, full stop. Indirect speech. She bade her dear friend goodbye. Full stop. Now, said is turning to the word bade. Okay. Second form of verb. Second form of the word bid. Bid, bade, bidden. So, when someone wants to, okay, bid farewell or give farewell to any person or say goodbye, then this very word is used. Okay, it's 3 forms in different kinds of sentences as it is or they are required. Okay, she bade, over here second form of the verb, her dear friend. So my dear friend is turning over here as her dear friend. Definitely she said, that's why her dear friend. Her dear friend, then goodbye is coming at last. Full stop. Thank you.